All right, this is our Math 1 final benchmark, number 6. Consider the system of inequalities graphed on the coordinate plane. Which system of inequalities best describes the graph? All right, so what we need to do is say, first we have one solid line and we have one dotted line. Solid means less than in this case because it's shaded below the line here. And dotted here, it's also shaded below the line. So we have two less than. So we have one less than and one less than or equal to. A and B both say greater than or equal to. So we can automatically eliminate those. C part says y is less than or equal to negative x. All right, so negative x, if we have through the origin, we go down 1 over 1, down 1 over 1. That looks like the correct inequality. And y less than x plus 10. Here is 10, so that's our y-intercept. We have a positive slope, so if we go down 1, back 1, down 1, back 1, a negative makes that a positive. Or you can see that it's going uphill from left to right, so that also makes it positive. So C is probably the correct answer. Let's check D. D says y less than negative x. Y less than negative x, this would be a dotted line if that one were the case. So here they have correct answers except the inequalities are switched, so that one is not correct either. So that means number 6, the correct answer is C.